I want to remind you about the sponsors again of this the set of meetings at Bank of Montreal, Farm Credit Canada, Kubota, the gold sponsor for Earth for Life. Could we, a bunch of people, some people are not muted yet, so, okay. Partners, the Canadian Agricultural Partnership is a partner, and we also want to thank Eastern Audio, who have been doing some of the audio stuff around here, well, all of it, and so that's wonderful to have them there. Hello to Andrew there. I say that because Eastern Audio has 3 Andrews who work for them, so I'm always, just chance one of them will be there. They're trying to hire 2 more Andrews, so if you're an Andrew, you might get a job there. One little last note I want to make in terms of, I guess, housekeeping is that I got a note earlier that the College of the North Atlantic program is interested again. The program in Corner Brook, the CNA campus there, agriculture technician. They're looking for co-op work terms again this summer. So we have students interested in all aspects of agriculture in several areas in the province. So they're looking for employment opportunities from early June to late August. And employers will be asked to mentor the students and provide an evaluation of their progress. So some funding is available to assist in hiring the students. If anybody's interested, they can certainly, excuse me, contact Sharon Wright at the College of the North Atlantic related to that. Well, we are fortunate that, as I said, we have a number of great folks who are supporting us, great organizations, and I've mentioned the Bank of Montreal, and so we have somebody from the Bank of Montreal with us, present at the event. Troy Wiseman has been with the bank for 14 years. He's an experienced senior relationship manager with a demonstrated history of 25+ years of working in financial services and with businesses and with individuals. He's skilled in leadership and coaching, sales, conflict resolution, team building, and commercial and business, portfolio management, personal lending, and investment product. Troy's been living in paradise. I'd love to be able to use that line, living in paradise. It sounds like a John Prine song. Yeah? But he's been living in paradise for the last 10 years and has lived across Newfoundland and Labrador, also paid his dues by spending time in Nova Scotia and PEI. So please give your welcome, however you can, to Troy Wiseman. Over to you.
Hey, Troy.
I hope he's there. Is Troy there? I haven't been keeping track of who's...
He's showing us present but muted.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you can unmute.
We're not hearing you. And unmute.
So if we can, unless there's some global mute that's been put on.
Nope, he's no longer muted from what I'm seeing.
Okay.
Seems like the same thing happened to, there we go.
Is that you, Troy?
That's me. Can you hear me now?
We can hear you now. Thank you very much.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Can see you too.
So thank you for the introduction. So just on behalf of myself and Rob Cunningham, the Vice President of Commercial Banking in Newfoundland and Labrador, we're always pleased to sponsor this event. And over the last number of years, I've been able to visit and talk with many of the farmers and visit your operations. And it's easy to see, and even listening just for the short time we've been on today, about the passion that you have for your industry. For some of you, being in the role that I'm in, I've been able to, help many financing needs, from providing 100% financing, when we're looking at the CAP program. We've also been involved with the CALO program, which has been utilized several times over the last few years. So, as with many people, the last couple of years have been interesting for Bank of Montreal. And as the Canadians, as the industry continues to evolve with continued advancements, efficiency, sustainability, and the dynamics and the ongoing effects of COVID-19, Bank of Montreal has kind of enhanced what we've been doing. So we've introduced a specialized team across Canada. We've always had that team, but over the last couple of years, we've enhanced that team. So this new group is a national team of agricultural banking specialists with backgrounds in agriculture combined with technical financial expertise. And of course, many of these people, we've actually come with a very diverse background, and they know the local market and the challenges that's faced. This team is well positioned across Canada to provide solutions in all types of scale of operation, including our digital platform, our Treasury Payment Solution Group. And we're here to help farmers in good times and in tough times. We are Bank of Montreal supported the agriculture industry for over 200 years. And many of our first customers, were farmers. And again, we recognize the importance of this industry and the importance to the Canadian economy. So, along with this new group that we have across Canada, the benefit, or one of the benefits of having Bank of Montreal as your financial partner, we also work close with our wealth group, our capital markets group, our retail group, and we're able to help many farmers as they look at and I know in Newfoundland there's some ongoing need for this is as farmers look to retire, move on to the next chapter. We have a group in our private wealth that would, are able to look at succession planning and the transfer of your wealth. We know that's very important over the next number of years. So we're able to provide support in that. So, again, we do appreciate the opportunity to be involved in the industry. I'm glad that I work closely with the executive. And for anyone else, if there's anything that I could ever do myself, drop me a line, let me know. You may not be a client, but you may have a question about banking. Please just send me a note. I have no problem in having a conversation with that. So again, thanks for having me today. Let me just bring some greetings of that, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your AGM.
Thanks so much, Troy. And on behalf of folks here and folks who aren't here but are part of the association, thanks for your support for this annual event. And it's been for many years, and we hope it is many years in the future. So thanks for joining us, and everybody join me however you can to say thank you on this virtual platform.